My favorite thing about my job as an attorney at the firm is knowing that the work I do every day is making it possible for someone to achieve justice through getting reasonable compensation for the injuries that they've sustained. Oftentimes, people don't call us when it's good news. It's oftentimes they're looking for someone to help them in a really dire or bad situation. And so knowing that they're looking to me for help is a very fulfilling and satisfying thing. And I look forward to going to work on Monday morning because I know I'm gonna have a direct impact on someone's life in a positive way. It's very humbling knowing that you have the tools, the experience, and the skill set to help them resolve this issue that they're enduring. The joy of working at Schwebel, Getz & Sieben is everything that we do is a team approach. And so if a client comes in the door and I'm the attorney working on their file, although I am primarily responsible for the file, I'm backed by highly skilled lawyers, a staff that is committed and dedicated to serving clients. And so everything that we are doing is client-centered, client-centric to ensure that we obtain the best results for our clients. Jim Schwebel is adamant that service is key. And so everything that we are geared towards is making sure that this process goes as smoothly as possible, and so that you, as the injured party and our client, can focus on recovery and eventually obtain the compensation that you are entitled to. So there are folks who might have been involved in a car accident, having some neck pain, back pain, and are on the fence of should I call a lawyer, should I not call a lawyer, maybe this might go away, maybe it might not. To those folks, what I would say is pick up the phone and call. The firm has been at this for a very long time. There are probably a lot of questions that you might have about who's gonna pay for your medical bills, when are you entitled to pain and suffering benefits, who's gonna be paying for these pain and suffering benefits. And so as a lawyer, we take on all those questions for you. We help provide you with those answers so that you can focus primarily on recovering, and we deal with the heavy lifting of dealing with the insurance company. When I conclude a case and someone reaches out, writes a review, sends an email, writes a letter, and is just very complimentary of the work that I've done and that my staff has helped in bringing the case to resolution, there's no better feeling, because everything that you have set out to do, you're actually fulfilling. And so to know that that's coming to completion and that client, beyond the money that they've received, actually feels heard, respected, that dignity has been demonstrated throughout the whole process, you know you've done your job. And that's what we aim to do every day. And so it feels good, and that's what we strive for.